Ooh. Oh no! So today, I'm dropping this off at Chris's. Get working on it. That's possibly the easiest this thing has ever started. It was like literally crank and it started, that was it. Cool. Alright, we're on the road. So first up, I just want to give a quick shout out to all my friends for all the support they're giving me. I've got Chris, obviously we're taking this to his place, and you know he's going to be doing the majority of the work, swapping everything over. Also shout out to Kyle, it's BazFab, Team Buggy Life. He's going to, I was talking to him last night, and he's going to be doing the cage in the new cab. Shout out to Sam Thompson, who's Other Side Metalworks. He wants to come and give us a hand as much as possible as well. As well as, you know, people like Glenn Elliott from Gem Cars at Curry. You know, he's been messaging me and saying, hey man, I've got this coming in. You can have it at cost price. Like, this is what it owes me. You can have it like for what it owes me. So like, that's unreal. Really, really appreciate it. But you know, I want to repair my car. So right now I'm on the way to O'Neill's Tyres at Rutherford, so also shout out to those guys. They've been a great supporter. That's where Chris works, and we're going to go over there and I don't know, I'm gonna try and scumbag Jared into letting us use the hoist at some point. But yeah, we'll go over there and meet up with the boys and see where we can go, see how we're going to do this. So I've just met up with Chris at O'Neill's, and now we're going to go for a quick run and drop this off at his house. Go a little bit of left hand down.
A few inches later. One eternity later.
Right, you're pretty flat now. You happy with that? Yeah. Might have to reach out a bit more. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Well, no mucking around here, the fellas are onto it. Car's been off the truck for all of, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Yeah, just going up and backwards.
No, what we're going to do, we're going to go up a little bit on the motor because it's twisted. Yeah, a few inches. Yeah. Sitting in.
Gearbox is still lining up just above the mount.
Back in place?
Almost.
Almost.
Need more jiggle.
Jiggle, 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 yeah.
Wiggle, 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 yeah.
That should be pretty close. Do you want me to roll forward with this? Would that help?
Yeah, try and roll forward a little bit. Yeah, jack it up a little bit and give it a good push.
That moves a little bit.
That should drop any second. Keep wiggling it. Yeah, keep wiggling it.
Look at the gap now. No. At the back.
Where's this engine mount?
That's moved back at least 3 inches.
No, that's it.
Yeah, like, look at the...
Yeah.
I know it's jacked up higher, but that went back heaps. There you go. Literally.
Disconnect all these coils to make sure. And that way, if something's gone wrong with the timing chains or anything else inside, we'll be able to hear it instead of just starting it and going bang. Alright, crank it over. Stop that. Go again. Go again. I think that might have just been the timing chain guides. Could have had no oil pressure.
No gallop or anything either.
Purring like a damn kitten.
Oh, smoke.
That's oil.
Yeah.
Bit of oil.
First gear. There's a little puff come out.
Try not to rev too hard.
It'll bounce around on the engine bay.
So we could have drove this home.
Yeah, but we didn't have an engine crane to put the engine back where it was meant to be.
Ah, we could have got one.
Reverse really hard, let it go.
Safety first. Fireman Sam.
12 seconds later.
Well, no mucking around here. Chris has already claimed the bonnet. That's where it's going to go, mate.
Yeah, that's where it's sitting.
Right there like that. Oh, well, that looks good.
I'll make some mounts for it and we'll hang there.
Nice. Not like I wanted it or anything. No, he can have it. He earned it. The boys are chopped in. Have this stripped in no time. Always wanted a sunroof. Alright, Chris, that's you.
Alright, I'll go grab the reciprocating saw and we'll
Yeah.
off one. Alright, that's where the roof line is.
I wasn't doing a good enough job apparently.
Pass that pry bar. Oh wow, the Jesus bars are only held in by one M6 bolt. Right there.
One M6 bolt.
Yeah.
Lovely.
I don't think that'd do you much justice if you're a big fella and you yanked on it. It'd probably snap the bolt out of it.
What if you rolled over and you're holding onto it?
I don't know. Oh, really? Oh, I'll get that with the other one.
Well done, mate.
Not my first rodeo.
This was my first rodeo, but it probably won't be my last.
Just behind Jace.
Yeah, they're there. Is your glass separated all the way?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just got one bit here.
Jason, what's missing from the bottom of the reciprocating saw?
Yeah, the battery.
You took it
Yeah,
out.
that side, isn't it?
Oh no, you took it out of the other thing, out of the grinder.
Where? Yeah, it's over there. So
At
this is
least
your
somebody
problem.
was thinking. I just definitely wasn't. I'm just more excited
Are you
I'm a
flipping
driver.
it
I don't
forward
work
or
on
you
things.
flipping it forward?
Well, Dak, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence.
It's pretty much flat. Lift it forwards and get it a bit lower.
Oh, always wanted a convertible.
Wait, since it starts and runs, would it be like socially unacceptable to take it for a drive up the road?
Well, it's registered.
Not in this area.
It is registered.
I'm not giving you bad ideas, but
Do it.
Okay, let's go.
Whoops.
well, it still works.
It still works.
Now I've just got to clean the driveway.
Well, that's it for today. Chris, why have you made a cubby house under here?
It's just an adult cubby house, right?
Look at that.
It's a big kid's cubby house.
I'm literally standing up.
It's just a big kid's cubby house. That's all
Big
it is.
kid's cubby house, alright? Now the reason he's done this is so that the water doesn't pool up on top there and then pour into the cab, and I don't know, I mean, you got $1,000 worth of auto meter gauges sitting right here all exposed. So, you know, wouldn't want to wreck them. Anyway, thank you, Chris.
What Ben?
Extremely appreciative of this man right here. He's a lifesaver. But you also got to do stuff like this when you get the opportunity.
What?
And I did a burnout in his driveway and possibly got him evicted. But anyway, worth it.
Later.
It's dolphin.
Oh. I want to go see.
Oh, that's what we're waking up to in bed. Oh.
Meanwhile.
Hey bro, I hope you're having a good holiday away with the missus. For your anniversary, your car's getting a bit how you going, a little bit serious, and we are very close to, you know, just separating the cab from the chassis and seeing what else is going on. I do have some photos. I didn't do much filming and stuff like that because I've been a bit frustrated and I've been a bit sick this week, but yeah, there will be something to come with it.
3 days later.
Okay, so been, what, 2 weeks since I rolled it, thereabouts. Chris has been working on the car flat out, getting it ready to, well, he's just about got the cab off it, cutting it up into little bits and pieces. And I'm just on my way to pick up the truck, and I'm going to go and get the new donor cab. So less than, what, it was less than 24 hours. It was literally Monday morning. I rolled it on Sunday morning down at Hampton, and on Monday morning I woke up, I got on Marketplace straight away and looked for a new cab, and before lunchtime I'd acquired a new cab. So I'm on my way to pick it up now. I've just got it, I'm in the laser, and just got to get my truck and head down the coast and get this new cab. Ooh, first go. I love this old truck. I actually took the camper trailer away with the missus over the weekend. I've got it way closer than what I would have liked to have, but this is what I'm working with. So to get it in between the truck and the boat, yeah, I did all right. Just need to move the truck over a bit when I get it back in here. May even have to cut this tree back slightly. Not today though, I'm already sweating, it's hot, especially in this truck. Look at the bunny rabbit, there he goes. Lightning speed bunny rabbit, and guess what we've got? We've got our cab. So I didn't do any videoing in there, just wanted to load up and get out of there really, have a quick chat and whatnot. But yeah, so basically the plan is with this one is we're just using the cab. It's a Great Wall V240, sorry, V240. So we're just using the cab, and turbo noises. So yeah, we just use the cab. I'm possibly going to go and get another one though as well, because, well, more parts really. I mean, I've rolled one, so anyway, heading home. So this is what we've got, it's what we're working with. So don't forget, the doors don't matter exactly, because I can take them off and put others on. It's the cab that we wanted. But it's easier to just get a whole car, isn't it? Anyway, however this is going to work, cut it off, I don't know. We unbolt all this, unpick these, and then put the other ones on for the Rodeo guards. However that's going to work. Oh. But yeah, that's it. So now I've got to work out whether or not I'm using all of this or I'm getting another one or what's going on, but super fun, happy times.
The next day.
So it's Good Friday, and I spoke to Chris last night, and he says I've got the Rodeo pretty well at a point where we're ready to take the cab off, but before we do that, I'm racing on Sunday next week down in state round 3 of the State Hillclimb Championship. So that one's at Huntley, which is down near Wollongong. So this car, this laser, still needs a bit of stuff done to it. before I go and race it. So what we're doing, I'm gonna go get the tow truck, I'm gonna chuck the laser, I'm gonna get the shell that I just bought off the tow truck, put the laser on it, go to Chris's, drop the laser off, pick the Rodeo up and leave it on the tow truck for a minute, and then from there we can sort of, he'll do what he's got to do to the laser, and then we'll jump back on the Rodeo. So that's this morning's plan. So I already put the hot air balloons in, but I can see more. Probably can't see them on the GoPro because it doesn't zoom. But yeah, that's this morning's plan. Well, that was a hell of a process. I got over to collect my truck and realised I'd left my keys at home. My mate was there, so we sat around and had a chinwag for a bit, and I was like, alright, I better go get these keys. So I dropped the grate wall off the back of the truck. I've got the laser on there now. And we'll get over to Chris's and drop this off, get the other Rodeo on, and get back over here and go do Good Friday stuff. Got family coming over. So yeah, all the fun, car life. So I videoed a lot on my phone because I left the GoPro in the truck and I just couldn't be bothered. But yeah, she's on. So Chris is gonna do the clutch and everything on the laser over the weekend before racing at Huntley. So he can move that down when he's ready to do it. And I'll get this back and store it back in mate's joint. Almost hard to believe it's the same car. Pretty sad, but won't be long. Chris is saying he's hoping to do it through the week, like this week, and we'll get this one, swap it all over. So cab itself should be the exact same, and it'll just be little things like get a windscreen and all the fiddly bits. But yeah, that's it for today. Alright, as you can see, my water pump bearing is stuffed, so pretty lucky we ever made it home from Bathurst. But luckily my godsend Chris has been here, he's fixed it all up, he's ripped all the aircon and everything out, and yeah, done a whole lot of work on the car in preparation for Huntley Hillclimb this weekend. So we've got State Round 3, and yeah, drive the car there. And he's also got the Rodeos all stripped out and pretty well ready for the cab swap now, so we'll get onto that after the hill climb. But yeah, look at that, it's barely, just doesn't want to spin all the way around. But yeah, lucky we got home. I'll show you these too, this is pretty cool. Why couldn't Ford come up with that? Quick test drive. Clutch feels pretty good. Not bad at all, actually. So clutch was never really the issue. It was the slave cylinder, and then obviously that that water pump, that bearing that could have let us down in a very, very big way. Driving into the sunset. So everything so Chris has basically just done a new slave cylinder, a new water pump, timing belt, removed all the AC because, let's face it, the car's 30 years old, it didn't work anyway. By doing so, he stripped about 15 kilos. So pretty lucky with that water pump that we didn't it didn't seize up completely, because it was close call, I think. But overall, other than giving this thing a wash, ready for round 3 at Huntley. So Huntley Hillclimb is down south of Wollongong, somewhere near Dapto. I've looked at it on maps, but I'm not 100% sure where I'm going just yet. But I do know we're going over Seacliff Bridge again to get there, because, you know me, back ways and whatnot. So we've also got to drop a car off in Sydney on the way. So Chris will be towing that behind his patrol. That'll be for Drew from Cashed Up Bogans. So all in all, it should be a good adventure, and we'll see how it all pans out. But like I said, wash this car and it'll be ready for Dapto, or Huntley I should say, sorry. One last thing while I think of it, I'm going to wrap this video up here. So I'm going to call it like Rodeo rebuild / tear down, I don't know. Either way, I'm killing the video here. So there's going to be part 2 coming. We're hoping that next week we're going to get access to a hoist and get the cab off the Great Wall, cab off of the Rodeo, and then do the old switcheroo. And if that all goes to plan, Rodeo rebuild will be in full swing. Still got to go and pick up some parts and whatnot, but other than that, I've got everything I need now. I still need another windscreen and whatnot. Actually, the cab that I got, there's another Rodeo. I still haven't decided if I'm going to go and get it or not. It's in Bathurst, so that'll be an episode on its own in the old truck. But thank you to 260 odd subscribers that have subscribed. And yeah, everybody else that watches, you know, good on you. If you watch this far, send me a message, you know, use code word banana and I'll send you a sticker. There you go, some incentive. Remember the banana. Insert a minion here.
Banana.
Stuart?
Banana. Banana!
But yeah, so like and subscribe, as cool kids would say, and video after this will be Huntley. So that should be cool. But yeah, I haven't put anything up in a couple of weeks. Sorry if I'm rambling a bit. I'm getting tired and delirious because it's just been full on trying to get all these cars sorted out. So more mentally for me, physically for Chris. Chris is just stuffed. He's just like, I don't even want to be on camera today. He's just that tired from working day and night on him. Well, working through the day, I should say, and then working at night on my car as well as his. So he's been doing a bit of work on his own car and whatnot, getting ready for, you know, because we're doing big trips. And, you know, he carts all the stuff in his car and I just drive a race car to the event. So other than being uncomfortable, I've got the easy part of it. We're going to invest in a trailer as well. But anyway, that's enough. Like and subscribe. I'll see you at Huntley Hillclimb.